Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube short from my computer. To upload video to YouTube, your video must have a dimension 916 and you can make delay 1080 and the height 9020 if you wish. Made a video with a video of 916. Your video duration must be within 16 seconds down. Let's see how to make it. Click on Create, Upload Video, select File. Okay, you can add your description as you like and add your title and next. Now select public and publish. Let's check your video. Select your channel and you can see your short video. Okay, thank you for everything. Thank you for your time. See you next video. Subscribe for more video.